You haven't a lights in your house? Did you have a lights in your house?
No.
Why? What happened? What happened, my dear? What did you say? Your mic is off, my dear. You have to turn on your mic. Yes. Okay, why?
Học tiếng Anh mà không nói được.
Why haven't? Oh, what happened to your lights, my dear? Do you have lights in your house? Okay, my dear, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me?
Hello.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Hello.
Can you hear me, my dear? Can you hear me?
Hello.
Yes. Can you hear me?
Hello.
Okay. Again, can you hear me? Can you say it again? Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, can you say this one, my dear? Yes, I can hear you. Can you say it again, my dear? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Very good, my dear. Good job. Okay. Today, my dear, my name is Teacher Eric. How about you, my dear? What is your name?
My name is Nee.
Can you say it again? Your name is?
My name is Nee.
Oh, wow. What a beautiful name. What is the spelling? What is the spelling, my dear? Hello? What is the spelling of your name, my dear? My dear Lee? Oh, have a chat. Oh, I see. That is your name.
Yeah.
Okay, wow. How old are you? Lee.
G.
Oh, hello. My dear, hello. Um, my name is Teacher Erica. How about you, my dear? What is your name? Hello, dear Anna. Is it your name is Anna?
Yes.
Oh, I see. Hello. It's nice to meet you, my dear Anna. And Lee. Yay. How about Ngok? Is it your name, Ngok? Hello, dear. Is it her? Hello, Ngok. Hello, dear. It's nice to meet. Okay. Sorry. How about you, Anna? How old are you?
Cái này dễ thế mà không nói được mày phí à?
How old are you, Anna?
I'm 10 years old.
Oh, I see. Who's that in your... Who's that girl? Yeah. Is it that is your sister, Anna? Is it that your sister, Anna? Okay. How about Dearly? Did you eat your dinner today? Lee, did you eat your dinner today? Hello, Lee. Did you eat your dinner today? Where's Lee? How about you, dear Anna? Did you eat your dinner today?
Yes.
Okay, can you say it again? Yes, I ate dinner today.
I
Again? Yes, I ate dinner today.
Yes, I eat.
Dinner today.
Yes, I eat.
Dinner. Again, yes. Can you say this one? Yes, I ate dinner today.
I eat dinner today.
Good job, my dear. Very good. That's right. How about you, Dearly? Did you eat your dinner today? Hello, Dearly. Can you hear me?
Hello.
Hello. Did you eat your dinner today?
Yes.
Okay. Can you say this one, Dearly? Yes, I ate dinner today.
Yes, I dinner.
I ate
I eat.
dinner today.
Said I eat dinner today.
Very good. Good job. That's right, my dear. Okay. How about dear Anna, did you go to school today? Hello, dear Anna, did you go to school today?
Yes, I go to school today.
Very good. Good job. How about you, dear Lee? Did you go to school today? Hello, dear Lee. Did you go? Okay. Oh, wait. Yeah. Okay. So, dear Lee, did you go to school today? Hello, dear Lee.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, again, can you say this one? Yes. I go to school today.
Yes. I go to school today.
Very good. Good job, my dear. Okay. All right. How about dear Anna? What is your hobbies?
I
Can you say it again, dear Anna?
I like solving problems.
Can you say it again? Can you say it again? I can't hear you well.
I like solving math problems.
Oh, I see. Wow, that's very nice, my dear. How about you, dear Lee? What is your hobbies?
I like doing project.
Wow, that's very great, my dear. Okay, how about dear Anna, what is your grade? Are you a grade 5?
I'm in class 5. I'm 5E.
Is it again?
I'm in class 5E.
Wow. How about you, dear Lee? What is your grade?
I'm in class 5E.
Wow, you have a same class. Wow, that's right. Okay, how about what did you what is your dinner today? Dear Anna, what is your dinner today?
I eat fish
Oh,
and chicken.
wow, is it delicious? Is it delicious?
I
Okay, is it delicious?
yes. It's
Yes, it's very delicious. You say that one,
Yes.
my dear Anna? It's very
Yes. Very delicious.
good job, my dear. How about you, dear Lee? What did you eat today?
Eat meat.
Okay, can you say it again? Dear Lee, I ate meat.
I eat meat.
Good job, my dear. Very good. That's right. Wow, good job. How are you today, dear Anna?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay. Welcome. How about you, dear Lee? How are you today?
I'm happy.
Wow. Why are you happy today? Why are you happy today, dear Lee? Why are you happy, my dear? Why are you happy today, dear Lee? I'm happy
Because
because
because go to cinema.
what did you watch today? What did you watch in the cinema? Dear Lee, what did you watch in the cinema, dear Lee?
Bye.
Hmm? What did you watch today, dear Lee? Hello, dear Lee.
Hello.
What did you watch?
My
I watch.
what?
What? Do you remember?
Eh, what? Cái phim đấy gọi là gì?
You watch what? Hmm? Are you forgot? Okay. Dear Anna, what did you do before our class?
Không biết.
Dear Anna, what did you do before our class?
I do I do my homework. Không không xin.
Oh. Well, good job, my dear. Very good. How about you, dear Lee? What did you do before our class? Hello, dear Lee. Can you please turn on your camera? And
Vợ chỉ cần một con số, được chưa?
My
Vợ chỉ cần con số. Sẽ mà. Hai là phải quên hai. Còn mày hiểu đấy.
my
Mày có đưa tiền cho mẹ không?
my
Là điều gì trong cuộc đời này làm mẹ vui không?
my jump.
Tiền.
can you say it again, dearly? I can't hear you well. Again? What did you do before
My
our...
Quan trọng là
my
thôi, con thể
jump.
My what?
chết rồi. Wow.
My?
My
Yes, what did you do?
Bạn đã làm gì trước khi vào lớp?
Again? Dearly?
my skipping.
Oh, I see. But today, my dear, dear Anna and dear Lee, are you ready for our class today? Dear Anna and dear Lee, are you ready?
Yeah, yeah.
Good job. Very good. Again, can you say it again? Yes, I am ready.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Very good. Okay. So today, my dear, we will learn about our families. Can you see my screen? Dear Anna and dear Lee?
Our families.
Good job, my dear. Can you say it, this one? Yes, I can see your screen. Can you say it again, dear
Yes.
Anna?
I can see
Your
your our
screen.
families.
Okay, good job, my dear. Very good. That's right. Okay. So, again, our dear Lee and dear Anna, you can rejoin again to my Zoom, okay?
Bây giờ các bạn sẽ khỏi Zoom nhé, xong rồi lát nữa mình sẽ ấn lại vào cái link Zoom cô đã gửi ấy. Thế các con vào lại luôn nhé. Okay, Miss, so I have from two students. Now we will leave the Zoom and then rejoin again. Okay?
Okay, see
Okay,
you.
rồi chúng mình
Bye.
rời khỏi Zoom nha.
Okay, see you.
30 phút.
Okay.